Hello guys, my name is Flimius Flow and today we will be learning about functions and return statements. So let's get started. So what are functions in Python? So the basics of functions are basically like this. So when you're making a function, you have to add def, and this also counts for define, but you can't do define literally like this. So let's get started with our function. Def print, for example. Let's go for this. And then we're going to print hello. And now let's run it. So as you can see right now, this runs nothing, and it's not just the Replit making bugs like almost usually. It is actually because we did not run that function. So how to run it, you may ask? It's this way. But also there is something that you don't want to do. There is something, you can't just put something like that. You have to say like hello, for example, and then run this hello function, and as you can see, it says hello. Another thing that you could also use something called parameter. So for example, name. Let's go for a name parameter. Hello. And what? You know what? Let's put age here. Maybe goal as well, and maybe what should we put? Gender. So when you are using these parameters, you can't just use them like as if an input some sort of thing. You actually have to put some strings here. So for example, name, let's say Flemius Flow, aka me. For age, let's say 40. And then the goal, by the way, depending on how you organize this, basically this is name, this is age, this is name, this is age. So please know that, so you can't just go around like, I want to be a superhero, I am a male, this is my age right here, my name is right here. You have to like do it organize by organizing it. But anyways, for example, streamer. Let's go for male. Okay, so we also need to use this hello plus name plus you are plus str age. But you could actually make this a string, and then you could just write age by itself without the string age. But anyways, years old. You are a plus goal plus you know what, let's make a bit more sense. You are a gender goal, and it will be, and let's just say hello Phineas Flo, you are 4 years old and you are a male streamer. Let me try adding space. One second, let me just do something here. So this is how you can add two parameters together without this happening. There you go, there's a space here. So when you are writing these stuff, you can actually do this. These are not actually called sets. These are called using one of the parameters or anything that you define, or some sort of variable or anything. And you could also clone this and change it up a little bit. 40, 30, doctor female, for example, and then it would make two prints. Hello Flemius Flo, you are 4 years old, you are a male streamer. Hello Flemius, you are 30 years old, you are a female doctor. For example, another feature is that you can add square bracket numbers as well. For example, my youngest child is what? So kids, for example, plus kids 2. So why I did a star here is because when the number of a parameter is unknown, you should probably do a single star. So I'm going to add a few names. You know what? Let me make this one, for example. Tony, Jerry, Harry, and it would say my youngest child is Tony. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. But before that, I just want to correct something. It is actually if the number of arguments is unknown, not what I said back there. So anyways, I am from plus country. So you could actually do country equal, for example, let's say the USA, for example. Hello Norway. And let me clone these a few times. Hello Norway, hello Japan, Spain, Andrew, actually not Andrew, let's say South Africa, and one without anything. So this would take only this one, and actually hello all of these will actually make different countries. So so if you do this without anything in it, it will just come out like USA or China or England, whatever you put in here. So let's move on to the return statements. For example, DEF, define multiply number, return num plus num. Actually this is multiply, so num star num. So multiply let's say multiply maybe 3 times, I think this equals 3 times 2, but let's make this a variable, and now let's print this. Print x. So let's see what comes up, and it's 9. If we want to make this actually 3 times 2, then this plus symbol will come in handy. I don't know why this is 3 times 2, but I mean it is printing out 6. So what about we do it in a less confusing way? For example, 5 plus num. Actually, you know what? 25. There should be 25 if we expect it to be what it is. Yep, 25. And that is functions and return statements. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.